Good morning. I am Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you are happy, healthy, well, and safe. And Junk Journal July is coming up right around the corner. I have done Junk Journal July for the past 2 years. And I am thinking about doing it this year. It is really hard for me because July is a very busy month for me. I think I mentioned in another video quite a while ago that I have a lot of birthdays in July. My daughter comes from Japan every July, and so I do want to do it this year, but I may not be filming every single one that I do, or even doing every single one. But this was from last year. Beautiful sunflowers. That was my stargazer lily that the red lily bugs killed before I knew what was happening. And so I had made 2 signatures for this last year, and I only used one, so I thought I was going to use this one, just use this signature for this year. But I don't think I'm going to be able to. You can see how thick it is. This is going to get destroyed if I add any more to it. So what I think I'm going to do is just go ahead and find the center. I think I'm past this. Am I past the center? I don't remember where the center is. I'm trying to find the center, but I'm not. Oh, there we go. I'm going to cut it out and just bind it in something else. So that is what I'm going to do. And you can see that I put like bookbinder's tape on the spine, so you really won't be able to tell. I hope this will work. You won't be able to tell that it came out. So that should be fine. I'm going to count the pages. I got to cut these off from here because, the bookbinder's tape is on there. And we'll just retire this as Junk Journal July 2023. Yeah, 2023 is in there, so I printed this out small. And then I didn't think I could see it, but I can, so I printed it out big. These are my 2 choices, 4x6 or 8x10. There was no 5x7. So I'm just going to put this one in the journal, and I might just keep this one just because I did make it, and put it in a pocket or something. But anyway, let's see how many pages this was, because I don't remember. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so there's 44 pages, and I think that's just fine for Junk Journal July. Maybe I'll do a couple of double posts, but I do think I'm going to put a sturdier cover. I think the other one I had made out of a file folder, and so that is what we shall do this time. Alright, so at first I had thought I would use some Van Gogh wrapping paper, but then I saw this and I thought it was pretty, but then I didn't notice this on the bottom, so I'm going to put that on the back, and most of it will be cut off. I'm just going to kind of mark where we want to cut this off. And I wonder if I could just make a slip cover. You know how we used to put book covers on? Maybe I'll just do that. And then I can just put a different paper on here, maybe. I don't know. Should I or shouldn't I? I think I should. That's what I'm doing. So let's figure out the glue situation. So we are still in our upstate New York heat wave. How's your weather? We're supposed to have this heat wave until tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day. And then it's going to get a little cooler. I don't know how much cooler. I hope you are staying cool. Everybody's saying, you know, stay in the house in your air conditioning and that kind of stuff. We only have one little air conditioner in our living room, or, well, it's not more like our dining room. Lots of fans. I went outside for a little while. I thought I would feed the birds and put fresh water and fresh hummingbird water out, and I thought maybe I could just read outside for a little while. I like to do Bible and read my Bible and stuff like that. But I mean, I did it, but it was getting uncomfortable towards the end. I was only out for a little while, but I realized that we needed to go in. My dog was out there with me, and he insisted on laying in the sun. And so I didn't think that was such a great idea. He's almost 10 years old. I don't know why he wanted to lay in the sun. I think that would look okay. So let's go with 2 grays. There's no rule that really says I couldn't use a purple and a gray, but I think I'm going to go ahead and use 2 grays. Alright, so I've cut these to width, and now I'm just going to cut like about a ½ inch off the bottom. Let's make sure. I'm going to do them one at a time. Like right here. And right here. Okay. Let's get those cut and glued on. My paper is splitting. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just try to line these up as good as I can and hope that we are in the right spots. I have a feeling, obviously we know these little ones have shifted. So let's go ahead. This might be a little sticky. Let's poke these through again. And kind of like that. And I'm going to move that one a little bit. And now we'll, felt it move. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should have just started over from scratch. I might have to repair some papers. Yeah, that's not going through. I thought it did. I thought it went through. There, that time it did. I'm not finding it. There, okay. I don't see it. Alright, poking again, I guess. Oh, maybe it's right here. Yeah, I am going to have to repair this page right there, or we won't keep that one very long. Which one did I poke? Okay, there it is. Alright, and now back up through the middle. The 3-hole pamphlet stitch. Oh boy. Hopefully that will go right back through. Yep. Can't believe that worked. Alright, now I only did 2.5 lengths, and look at that. It's still too long. I guess it depends on how long you spread them out, how far you spread out them holes. Okay. There we go. Let's take the clips off, cut our string, and I ended up putting this in the front. Okay, well, let's just put some tape down on this. I think that's what I'm going to do. It'll probably end up being covered anyway. And let's just go through the pages and see if we need to repair anything else. This is a true, the pages are definitely not my typical, they're more of a true junk journal style. Magazine pages, old book pages, music papers. I think I'm going to tape this one all the way right down because I can tell it is not going to last. Same thing with this this paper, this map paper. It's okay, so it does have, I did reinforce the spine already of that one page, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and tape that down just like that, keep that safe. And I think otherwise we're doing good. Now I need to cut this out and put that on there. And then just make a label for the front. Junk Journal, July 2024. Alright, I think I'm going to put this one on with just some glue stick. I haven't really read the prompts yet, isn't that weird? I might want to get a little head start on some of them so that if I get busy I can still do them. So I got that on there. I'm going to put a label across here that just says Junk Journal July 2024. I have a folder of labels, and doesn't look like any of them match very well in color. Black, maybe that would be a good one. It's not as big as I would like though. Oh, there's one. I'll use that one. I think that'll be a good size for this. I need to replenish some of my labels supply. And I'm just going to put this on with a glue stick too. And the next time you see it should be July 1st. Hopefully. What is the first prompt? Spark. Oh my. Something to think about. Yeah, so let me know in the comments below if you're doing Junk Journal July. And I thank you so much for watching.